This video is another rule for exponents, and it's the power rule for exponents. It's going to tell us what to do when we raise an exponential expression to another exponent. When an exponential expression is raised to a power, multiply the exponents. Place the product of the exponents on the base and remove the parentheses. Or in algebraic terms that are much easier to write, b to the m raised to the n is b to the mn power. Sounds a little confusing, but pay attention to a couple of things that will make it quite simple. First of all, that base is unchanged. If the base was 2, the base is still 2. If the base was 6, the base is still 6. The base is unchanged by this rule. All right, let's look at a couple of examples and see if we've got it. This one should be fairly easy, and this lesson should be fairly short. Simplify the following expressions using the power rule. Again, my base, 3, should be unchanged. The only thing I have to do is multiply those exponents. 2 times 3 is 6. Now, for those who are kind of curious, I'll show you on this one, but I'm not going to show you on the rest because it gets a little complicated. 3 squared is 3 times 3. That cube sitting on parentheses says that you have 3 of those. So I have 3 sets of 2's, which is what we learned in elementary school, as multiplying. That's why the rule is in existence. So keep in mind that when you raise a power to a power, you just multiply those powers. That being said, base x is going to stay base x. And when you raise a power to a power, you multiply those powers. Negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15. I hope you're getting it. Let's do 2 more examples just to be sure. 1/2 cubed squared. Okay, that's kind of confusing to say it like that. But the base here is 1/2, so the base is going to stay 1/2. And then the powers there, 3 and 2, I'm going to multiply together to get 6 and call that my final answer. One more time down here at the bottom. X is my base, he's going to stay my base. And since I've raised the power of negative 4 to the power of negative 5, I'm going to multiply those 2 powers and get a positive 20. And so x to the 20 is my final answer. Again, be sure you're practicing each one of these rules enough to be very, very good at it. Good luck.